What's up, everybody? A lot of my friends have been telling me to watch this, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've seen everybody share this around, but I can't bring myself around to watching this shit. So I'm gonna try to see if I can last all 4 minutes of this song. I can't even. I can't even with. I can't even with this right now, bro. So yeah, man. Let's see how it goes.
Shame me, shame me, shame me, shame me. Namo go cho buta, nuno go to chola kianda. Namo go cho buna, nuno go to chola kiasha. Go po tiamo nu jong li ya. Ha 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 ha. She 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 she. We are gone.
What the fuck is this, bro? What am I watching right now, man? I can't even, yo, I don't even know what she's singing about. Like, it's just like the visuals are like killing me right now,
bro. Bỏ bao thằng rồng rau chỉ sa tao có ý cháu rồng lì gò cú chỉ trời cú chỉ nhỏ cú chỉ tỏ cho trò lò mu có pro cú chỉ lu có la vì ya ta lon da từ ua rồng chép la có từ chỉ cha cá chỉ mu có cá.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, I thought it was gonna be funny, but I kind of just feel like, I feel kind of disgusted. Like, I just kind of feel like, I feel disgusted, bro. Now I just feel uncomfortable watching this shit. But, alright.
Vì hiệu có xia chính gia luôn tu thiệt chỉ ba tu có và tu có khá thiệt lý do super ra có tu hình thiệt của ta vì có trai của chỉ mua cái có thiệt lý cho tao khu gì vì có trai của nó cái có thiệt lý cho tao khi shame me có cho của nó kia sự có cho hậu kê từ từ có từ một chiếc gió từ có lúc có mua từ từ cả chị ơi ý xia sự từ từ shame me nam mô có cho vũ ta nu nó có cho lời thiên ta nam mô có cho vũ na nu nó có cho lời thiên sa có bao tiền mô nu rong lý ya.
Oh my god. I can't, bro. Just 2 minutes. 2 fucking minutes. I've just been watching this for 2 minutes. It feels like forever. Yo, I'm just gonna give my final verdict. I don't know. I don't even know, bro. Like, it started out like I thought this shit was funny. And then the more I watched it, the more I just became like disgusted. And now I just feel really bothered. Like, this is so uncomfortable to watch. Dude, I don't even fucking know what they were singing about because of how disturbing the footage that I'm watching is. Like, I don't even know. I don't even know how to feel about this video. I definitely can't finish it. I'm not about to finish this video if you're telling me it's going to look like that all the way through. And here's the thing, okay? I don't want to come off sounding like I'm hating on this shit, all right? But, like, come on, everybody, let's be honest. What are we really watching here, though? Like, let's all be honest to each other. What are we really watching? Like, this is the type of shit that can go viral, right? Like, come on, y'all. Come on, man. Come on. This shit that... Okay, it started out funny, but the more I watched it, I just started getting disturbed. Like, I don't even know if... It's just disturbing. I mean, props to Lee Sung and Yossi Seong. Props to you guys for making a song and and all that. But this definitely not something that I fuck with, or it's definitely not something that I would normally listen to. Obviously, I don't know what the whole purpose behind this song was. Like, I kind of just want to like ask her, like, okay, why did you write this? You know what I'm saying? Like what's the whole point? And like what you're wearing, like what you wearing right now, like why did you wear that? Y'all know what I'm saying? Never mind. I don't want to sound like I'm talking too much shit, but all right, man, that's the end of the reaction video. Let me know what you want to see next. Peace out.